Well, para sa Ezra Band from Pequeño Davao del Sur, we're happy to be the venue para sa Agkikain nyo. You guys ready? Yes. Pakita natin.
Oh! Hello? Anong name mo?
K. K-A-Y-E.
K! K! Don't stop believing you're a girl.
Yes.
Yes, K. Bongga yan. Siya?
Lalaki to.
Yan ang pangalan niya?
Ay, Jan.
Jan?
Nor.
Siya?
Jester po.
Chester. Magkakabarkada ba kayo?
Nag-meet lang po kasi kami. Taga-church po. Si Kay. Kahapon lang po kami nag-meet.
Ikaw ang magpapiano? Papiano? Wow! Wow!
Kahit na yung kamay ko hindi kompleto, pero kaya ko pong tapatan yung mga may 10 daliri. To inspire people.
Akala ko may isa sa buong kamay.
She asked me, do I look alright? I said yes, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you.
They are blessed.
Sa acoustic, we look for soul. Hinahanap natin yung depth of emotion, yung madadala ka ng kanta, and you made us feel wonderful tonight. Thank you po. And totoong-totoo yung sinasabi ng t-shirt nyo. Don't stop believing. And nabilib ako sa inyo, lalo na sa kanya, kasi hindi hadlang at napakagaling niyang mag-keyboard. Correct!
This is definitely extraordinary. Very good. Very good.
Ako masasabi ko lang, marami na kayong fans.
Thank you.
Kaya yes, yes na yes!
Of course, it's a yes. Definitely. Thank you.
Congratulations! And totoo yan talaga. You make us continue believing.
Wonderful, wonderful. Plus an unbelievable voice. All of them. Ang galing nila lahat. Exactly yung blending nila, exactly lahat. I think they can be the judge of that.